Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video. Now, I'm excited today to show you Slide Traffic. It's a new software that's coming out, and down below you'll see a number of bonuses. This product is only $17 when it's going out to the marketplace until 4 p.m. So you've got an opportunity to get this at a really low cost. Now, this is a bit more of it's an interesting software. It's not the type of software you usually cover. It's quite a unique idea, which is really quite a good thing. The reason that's a good thing is that what you'll be able to do with this software is create similar presentations to what you'd see in Prezi. Now, Prezi is a software that's probably cost millions of dollars to create, so it's nothing near as good as Prezi. Prezi is a presentation software that allows you to do animated presentations all over the web. What this does do, though, is it connects into the API of a website that's called SlideShare. Now, SlideShare allows you to share presentations of all different topics. So you can actually upload your presentation slides into SlideShare, and then from there you can actually generate traffic from SlideShare when people go and they search for your slides. Also, one of the big things about this website is it ranks really well in Google, so you'll find that your slides with your website URL will rank really highly. Now, this is what my current, I was just creating this before, I was playing around with it, and this is a presentation I created within a few minutes. When you go through here, you can see you've got images, you can create little videos even inside of it, you can watch videos inside of your presentations as well, and it has a really cool animated effect that kind of engages people really quite well. So what you'll be able to do with this is you'll be able to do this. You can also enlarge it, and I've actually used a similar software to this at a live presentation before where I was going through my slides. I was showing my slide presentation up on the screen as I was presenting, and it worked really, really well. It's actually down below one of the bonuses down there, the live presentation that I did. I actually used a similar software to that. To this, as you'll see in that presentation if you get access today. So, really cool piece of software. Here's how it works. I've created a new WordPress install to show you this demo today. If I go into Slide Traffic, it's a WordPress plugin. I then go into campaigns, or I could go into sharing sites as well. These are my different, Facebook campaign, my different campaigns that I might have here. This is basically connecting up to these different APIs. So I can actually select which APIs that I want to use, and I can click Share Campaign, and I can share my different campaigns on each one of these sites. So I can't just share it on SlideShare. I can also share on ISOO and AuthorStream. SlideShare is the biggest because it's owned by LinkedIn. Now let's go to my campaigns, and I'm going to create a campaign today. And settings as well. Before I forget, I'll show you the settings. So in the settings, you've got basically a bunch of API settings. You'll see down here as I go through. You can connect up to the APIs of SlideShare, ISOO, and AuthorStream to make sure you can publish these slides in 3 different places. Now, when you're creating your slide presentation, you want to make sure that you put in a URL. So say, for example, I was doing a presentation for Laptop Startup. It's a new website of mine that's coming out probably later on this year. And then we go, yes, we've named it. And then we go to this presentation slide right here. Here we can change our background for our slide presentation as we want. We can choose whichever background we want. We can also then add images. We can upload those images from our desktop computer. I'll load one up for you right now. Cool, we'll grab a e-commerce image. I'm going to grab an e-commerce image. I can drag it in here. I can adjust my image, and I could put a title there. I could animate it, or if I wanted to, I could add a new slide. Now, each one of these new slides is a new scene, basically. So I could say, introducing Laptop Startup. Now, Laptop Startup isn't anything about e-commerce, so it's not really a matching image. But let's just say, for example, it was e-commerce edition. Cool. We've done that. That's our text. We'll add some more now. We can add a video in if we wanted to. Let's try this video right here. And you can basically build out these slide presentations to be engaging and look how you want them to look. So there we are. We've dragged in our video. You can also add in your website. You can add in a URL, for example. And we can also add in a number of other properties as well. Now, this is my website. It's actually loaded up my website in a iframe right here. This is Laptop Startup. This is what we've been building. So if you wanted to show part of your website, you could also do that as well. And I'm not going to do that because that homepage is quite long. We've created our slide presentation here. We've got 3 so far. We can also adjust the surface look, what the background looks like as well that hosts the slide presentation. Now, when you're done, click Save. And once you click save, what you'll get is you'll get this short code right here. Now, when you go to add any new page, you can actually add this presentation immediately if you want to. So what we can do is we can put in, for example, laptop startup. We can add in my short code, easy as that, click publish, and then I've published this onto my website. If I go to this URL right now, then you're going to see my slide presentation. Cool, I go through here, I start off with an image, I then go to the next, again we can enlarge this, make this really large if we want to as well, and it's a great way of engaging your audience. You can use this at presentations, you could use this as, like a PowerPoint in a sense, and people can also share it on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, and also a number of other websites if they go to this plus right here as well. So really cool piece of software, unique. It's a traffic generator. It'll generate traffic from places like SlideShare if you're consistent with it. Also, you can hook it up to the APIs of 2 other websites for sharing as well, and it's going to look really professional on a website like this. Plus, you can add it to your website, you can embed it on your website, and if you've got a use for this, if you're able to use this in your business, or if you've got some products that you want to showcase, for example, or you've got some training that you would like to actually use this with and record your screen as you do the training with this slide animation, this software is going to allow you to do that. Plus, if you're looking for traffic from SlideShare, this will help with that. It'll also rank the slide presentation inside of Google as well, which will mean that you'll probably get some natural traffic from that as well. So that's what this software does. It's a WordPress plugin. You can get access down below, $17 only when you get access early. And I hope you now understand what this does. So thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.